Hello, students. There have been a lot of questions about how your notebook should look, what exactly should be in your notebook, and a refresher on how to copy and paste your slides into your notebook. So Miss Webb is going to make this little video to show you what you should have in your notebook up until now. So right now, your notebook should have started with the cover, one of the All About Me slides, the table of contents pages you could have kept, that's up to you, the math talk rules. You had the choice of putting the birthday party problem in your notebook or not. That was up to you. You were supposed to at least submit it on Canvas because it was for a grade. Then the first set of slides that should be in your notebook is the intro to area slides that started with the which one doesn't belong. This is under week 1, depending on which class you're in. So if you cannot find it under week 1, it should be under Monday on week 2. You are to put every single slide from a slideshow in your notebook. Make sure that you are doing the work that is on those slides as well. Some of you I have seen are not putting in everything that is supposed to go in there with the slideshows. All right, your next set of slides is called More Intro to Area Slides. There are 3 slides there. The next set of slides is when we began parallelograms. So you had a title slide, the features. This one here was to write down your thoughts of how we could find the area of those parallelograms. And then this slide, you were supposed to actually find the area of those parallelograms. The next set of slides was bases and heights of parallelograms. You had the slide with the check and the X, the sentences underneath it, where the bases and heights, and then you had the chart. The next set of slides after that are your area of p-gram slides. I'm going to stop here and show you how to put them in your notebook. If you hold down the control button, the CTRL button on your keyboard, the bottom left corner, and highlight all of these slides, come up here to edit and copy, or you can click Control C. It is listed right here. Click on copy or Control C as in cat. If you come in here to your notebook, go all the way to the end. Do not just put slides wherever you want to. Your notebook must be in order. So bring it all the way down. Click on the last slide and come up here to edit, paste, or you can click Control V. When you click paste, your slides will appear. It does not matter what you click here. You can click match styles or keep original. It doesn't matter either way as long as you get the slides in your notebook. Click on the last slide again because it's very possible that you will have a new set of slides that you will need to put in. So if you go into, let's look at week 3 to make sure that we didn't need any more from week 3. All right, week 3 looks like all I-ready. Week 4, we have our bases and heights in there. More areas of p-grams. Then you did your practice problems. So we need to go up to our week 5. The first set of slides that I gave you was area of triangles. So if you click on this, open it, make a copy, and do the same thing. Make sure that you highlight each slide by holding the control button down. Control C will copy your slides. Click on the last slide in your notebook, and Control V will paste them into your notebook. Now, I'm going to go back into my Canvas and look again to see if I have any more slides that I need to look at. Area of triangles looks to be the last one that I have gone over. So my notebook is officially caught up with the slides that I need. That is when you need to go back through your notebook and make sure that you are finishing everything on the slides. So again, intro to area should be your first set of slides. Making sure you have a reason for each one, why it doesn't belong. Remember to tell me whether or not you can find the area of each of these figures and why or why not. Answer all 4 of these questions using the tangrams. Tell me the answers to these questions. We already went over number 1 and number 2, but you have to explain it to me because it tells you right here, because, okay? And then find the area of this tangram rectangle using your tangrams. The next is the more intro to area. Tell me what you see, what you wonder. Then try to find the area of them. Here's your flag. Find the area of the shaded figure. We started shapes next. What did you notice about the ones that are A? The one A, B, and C. What did you notice about the ones that are D, E, and F? Type your thoughts. There is a text box here. How do you think that we can find the area of these p-grams? And then actually find the area. Bases and heights. Look at the examples. Which ones that are correct, which ones are not. Tell me which ones are true, which ones are false. We did it in class, but you still need to tell me in your notebook. Tell me which ones are not labeled correctly. And fill in your chart based on these parallelograms. Then come down and find the area of these parallelograms. Answer the question here. Make sure that you read this, that I want 2 different parallelograms. Not just one set of numbers, I need 2. This one is a challenge problem that does not have to be done. And then these are the most recent slides that we have done in class. Okay, make sure that anything that we do in class, you are still taking and putting into your notebook on the digital Google Slide notebook. If you have any more questions, please send Ms. Webb a message on Canvas or during our Zoom meeting tomorrow, unless you come back to school during our A or B day sessions.